Hi students, in the last class you have practiced Maspiti exercise and warm up exercise and stretching exercise. Today we will learn Vajradehi Manodhyana. Actually this asana introduced for 10th standard students. Those who are writing board examination, for them this asana introduced, but we had training also. And today I will teach you how to do Vajradehi Manodhyana. Just let us start. First you have to sit in Vajrasana position, and come to Chin Mudra position. Index finger and thumb finger joined together and remaining fingers leave free and keep it on your lap. Sit straight and come to position. Slowly. First we'll start by prayer. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly concentrate your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale, breathe, and exhale, breathe. Stop. And in this position only you are in Chin Mudra position, and you have to say, you have to chant Akara. Once again. Once again. Stop. Slowly open your eyes. Okay students, you have to do this 2 minutes. As again same as it is position. Index finger, thumb finger join together and remaining fingers fold and keep like this. Like this. This is called Chinmay Mudra. In Chinmay, by Chinmay Mudra position, again you have to have to chant now Ukara. Okay, slowly open your eyes. Okay, students, the next Adi Mudra. See, thumb finger 4 and remaining fingers 4 like this, and keep this position. Now you have to pronounce, you have to say Makara, but don't open your mouth and say, only repeat what I say, how I am saying, just repeat me. Take a breath. Once again. Okay, next Brahma Mudra position, like this, and keep like this. Now we say, now we have to pronounce A, U, M together. Slowly open your eyes. Okay, students. Next, Hakini Mudra position, like this. This position called Hakini Mudra. This asana usually used for concentration. Hold like this and gently close your eyes. By sitting this asana, you can remember what you are reading, what you are read. Then you have to recall and remember by this asana. If you do this asana, improve your concentration. Breathe in, breathe out. Sit 1 to 2 minutes. count 1, 2, 3 till 20 in your mind. Okay, rub your both palms. Keep it on your eyes and slowly look at your palms. Okay, come to Sukhasana position. Okay, do this asana and practice at home, and you will improve your concentration and memory power, and you can give attention to your study. Now we ends with Shanti Mantra. Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your both palms. Keep it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes by looking at your palms. Okay, thank you, student.